Today on Lawn Lessons with Jordan, we're going to be talking about why lawns are looking very yellow in the spring and how to fix that. It's yellow because winter stress and dormancy. What's actually happening is the grass is shutting itself down, restoring itself, basically going into a hibernation mode because it does not like the cold temperatures that we face in the wintertime. It'll do this until it starts to sense that our temperatures are going to begin to warm up, and eventually then there will be more food available for the grass to uptake. Lawns with compacted snow, heavy snow, or extreme cold can actually stay yellow longer than other lawns depending on the snowfall in the different areas. Just be patient. Once we get our temps up in that 55-degree mark, those lawns are going to begin to bounce back and they will look great again with proper care. Let's talk about too much or too little water. Overwatering can suffocate roots and lead to fungal and disease growth. Underwatering can prevent new spring growth and the lawn thinning out. To fix it, you want to water deep and infrequently. That is usually 1 to 1.5 inches per week. We want to water deep and infrequently because we want to really saturate that top 6 inches of that soil layer. If we were to water 10 to 15 minutes every day, you're only going to be soaking the top 2 to 3 inches when we really want that deep soak. So that is why we recommend deep and infrequent watering. Snow mold and lawn disease. Snow mold thrives under snow and heavy snow conditions and thrives in the early springtime. To fix it, you want to rake those matted areas out to improve the airflow, maybe throw some seed down if some of that grass comes out or there are thin spots. You also want to aerate them to decrease compaction and increase the flow of water and oxygen through the soil. Grubs and pests. Grubs, the grass roots. What they do is they cause these huge dead patches and the lawn can usually be torn up just like you're tearing up carpet. To fix it, you want to make sure you actually check that you have grubs, see that they are feeding on the lawn actively, and apply an insecticide to the affected areas. And also make sure to water it in. Nutrient deficiencies. Lack of nitrogen or maybe iron or some other nutrient. Grass needs nitrogen to stay green and vibrant. A deficiency makes it pale or yellowish. To fix it, apply a balanced spring fertilizer to restore health and color. A yellow lawn does not have to ruin your spring. Let Lawn Doctor bring your lawn back to life today. Give us a call at 616-281-7109. Hey, if you like this info, give us a follow, leave us a comment, and follow along for more informational videos.